Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to simulate or how to use the 4 to 10 decoder circuit within the simulide 1.1.0. So how we can do that? First of all, we will take our decoder, that is 4 to 10 decoder, and here it is. In the component section you can search it out, and here we got our 4 to 10 decoder circuit. Now we will zoom it out a little bit so that you can see it properly, like this. Now what a decoder circuit used to perform? It takes a 4-bit binary data, and upon the basis of that 4-bit binary data it used to activate one of its output lines, like from D0 to D9. Okay, like if we have a binary data of 0000, then our 0 output or first output will become activated, and if it is 0001, that is for the 2, so our second output will get activated. So let me do it out. So we will go and we will take our push switches, or these switches which are like this. Or we can even go for dip switches, but wait, let me go for dip. No, not dip. We will just use these one. We will connect the left side of the switches with that of 5 volt. So we will go and we will take our fixed voltage power supply. Like this. And we will connect our S0 with that of first switch, S1 with the second switch, S2 with the third switch, and S3 with the fourth switch, like this. Okay, now we will connect our enable, we will connect our inverter enable with that of the ground, because it has shown a bubble, it is having a bubble, so we will connect ground with it rather than 5 volt, like this, because it is necessary in order to enable our circuit. Now we will go and we will use the props, copy and paste. You can use the props like this. We can even use the LEDs, but props are good. Props will tell us about the outputs. Okay, so all of the 10 props will get connected. Now we will run it out. Now you can see that all of the inputs are 0. Okay, so our what's called as our first output will get selected. Now we will go for the wait, let me enable it out. Fixed voltage power supply. Okay, wait, so it is our first one. So now you can see now our input is 0001, which which with the help of which we have selected our second 1 or 0 1 output. Now we will go and we will write third combination is 0 0 1 0, and now we got our third get selected. Now 0 0 1 0 and then 0 0 1 1, and now we got our fourth one got selected. And after this has been done, we got 0 1 0 0 and fifth one. Okay, and then 0 1 0 1. Okay, and then 0 1 1 0, and the next one, and then we will write 0 1 1 and the seventh one will get selected, and then 1 0 0 1 0 0, and our eighth one will get selected, and then we will write 1 0 0 1 and the last one, that is the we can call it as 09, or the last one, the 10th one will get selected. So in this way we can activate all of our outputs with the help of these binary inputs. So in this way we can activate all of our lines, and in this way we can use our 4 to 10 decoder within the simulide simulator. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use all these things. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.